Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce how we connect Power BI application to Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse. As you know, Power BI application is one of BI self-service leader in the market that developed by Microsoft. And here is the step-by-step how we connect to ADW. You need to provision ADW and download credential file to Power BI system and also install Power BI application and install Oracle database client on Power BI system. In my example, Autonomous Data Warehouse instance is provisioned already, so I also download the credential file and I store in my local location AW training my credential. I also download and install Power BI Desktop Edition in my desktop. Oracle suggests we should install Oracle Database Client, but we just want to connect ADW, so we don't need to install fully Oracle Database Client. Instead, we just want to download the Oracle Instant Client package, and the latest version is 19.3.0. Okay, let's assuming my environment is Microsoft Windows, so I browse you a window download page, and you see the latest version is 19.3.0. There are two options. You can download the basic package that include all file required to run OCI, OCCI, and JDBC OCI application, or you can download basic client package. It's a smaller version of the basic package with only English error message and Unicode and support ANSI and Western Europe character. Both options require the Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 review table. In case your Microsoft Visual Studio is lower version, you can scroll down and select the version that you want and suitable for your environment. For example, the version 18.5.0 for Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. So, if you want to connect ADW instance and execute SQL or PL SQL query using command line, you can download SQL Star Plus package. And if you want to create ODBC connection that allow .NET application to connect ADW instance or Oracle database, you can download the package ODBC. Okay, all package have been downloaded to my location, and now I need to unzip all package to the folder created. In my example, I will unzip to the folder Instant Client Basic 19.3 here. If the folder network or an admin folder are not existed, we should create them manually. Now, we need to unzip the wallet zip file, I mean that credential file that we download in previous step, and unzip this file to admin folder. And next, I open SQLnet.org RA file, and I modify the directory to the folder that contain the zip file, and also add more configuration, authentication, and directory path. And next step, we need to create DNS admin system variable. I click on properties. Oh no. And I open advanced system settings and click on environment variable. And also I will create a new system variable. I put the name TNS underscore admin, and I will point to the directory folder, admin folder. Click OK, OK, OK. And we need to restart the system to make sure the system variable will be impact. Okay, after restarting system, we are ready to connect to ADW. Let's open Power BI application and we connect to Oracle database. I select Oracle database and I enter service name. To see what are service name, I open DNS name file in admin folder. I will connect to DB ADW test high instance service, and I will connect with inbox mode directly. And I select the user schema. For example, I select ADW ML user, and I select the table. For example, I select customer record table, and I log into Power BI. Okay, the process is under evaluating process. Connect model, loading data to model. Okay, you see the data is available and we are ready to build dashboard report. For example, I build the bar chart. Yes, I select purpose and credit amount, and also I select purpose operation. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your watching.